Alright, finally broke down and bought these because my passenger side broke and I needed some. So you see they're just cheap replacement, some hydro dipped carbon fiber or something. 30 bucks for the pair, so I can't really complain, but not bad. They don't open very far, so you gotta remember just not to pull them too hard. So here they are. Got them off Amazon, about 30 bucks for both of them. Seem about the same as the stock one, so throw them on and see how they go. These don't really go that far either. So you know, look at this one. It's about the same. About the same. The big problem is here. I went to open this door and that happened. That piece is completely pulled out there, so I have to take that all apart and put in the new one. First up, pop these 10s out. Oh wait, that one's not going to do anything because it's disconnected anyway. It's just this one. Biggest thing is just try not to drop it in the door. Pull that out. Now the rest of this should just kind of pop right out. Pull that out. Yeah, put that into the lower part when you put the new one in. Yeah, this one's easy. Click, pow, old one off. So right here you can see where the piece broke off, so I gotta hold on to that and unbolt it so I can get the bolt out. Then I can put the new part back on and be done with it. There we go. Okay, so you can see down there, we got that little blue spot. All right, so you see the blue guy down in there. When we put this in, this little guy has to go sit right in there, right? Just like that. And when you pull on the thing, it does its thing. But you want to have that little angled piece go sit in there. So remember that. So here's our passenger handle, right? You want to go open like so. So we know that if that little guy's got to go down like that, pop that in here like so. All the way, and then this clicks on and we're good. So just like that. Now I gotta use this flashlight for a second, but I gotta get that little piece down in there just right. Okay, so we've got the door handle in place here. Make sure you get this bottom. There's like a little plastic piece. Well, on this one, see how it's metal? There's usually like a little thing here. You gotta make sure you get that over the lip to kind of hold the bottom in place. And then we can go in, start the top one here, put the bottom one on here. Get that one started. Snug. Snug. And it's on there. Pretty solid, not moving around. Moment of truth, will it open and close the door? Done. One down, one to go. Yeah, good fit. Looks pretty solid. I mean, obviously it's not real carbon fiber, but nice little carbon fiber finish. Looks good on there. Alright, so this one still works just fine, but I don't know. Will I have the one carbon fiber one? You could have two, right? Oh, look at that. This still even has the grommets over it. Fancy. fancy side over here. Set it to loosen. Get those loose real quick. Get this one out. Should probably do the bottom one first because that one's the easiest to lose. We don't want to do that. We got it. Didn't drop it. Let's go. Okay. Gotta wiggle this out. It's a little more of a pain than the other one. It's got the door lock on it. So if we can just... Oh, that one already popped up, so that's good. It's got the same thing. Door lock kind of gets caught on this lower piece here. Undo this pink one on the lower, and that pops out. And then what is it, like a couple tens right there on the lock. Or 110, is that it? Change the lock out. It's like the other one, same thing. This little thing needs to go down in there. Okay, putting this one back on now. Pro tip, the lock cylinder will only have one nut in it because the other one is used to attach it to the door, so don't panic or think that you're missing one because you're not. Make sure I line up this blue. Okay, blue is in. Oh, was in. Blue is in. Next part, we got to make sure we get this little tab on the bottom back by the lock in. Okay, we got the bottom lined up. Now we just need to get these started. Now she's grabbing and tightening down. Snug, snug, snug her down. Snug, but not too snug, right? And then the moment of truth. I can even roll up my windows. Look at that. That shit still works. Forgot about that. There we go. Alright, there you go. All done. Psych. Almost forgot. Gotta put these grommets back in, right? Alright, now we're done. So now we've gone from flat black to the fake carbon fiber. I mean, they look pretty good on there. They fit good on there. They work. Gotta be gentle on them. They're probably just like the OEM ones and break if you're too hard on them. So, yep, that's about it. 30 bucks on Amazon. I'll put the link in the bio. Buy some. Help me make some money that I can put into this car.